All right, write an inequality or an equation that matches each sentence. Okay, so when I look for these look at these sentences, the first thing I do is I look for words that tells me which one of these to use, okay? So the sum of 4 and 7 times the number x is greater than or equal to 13. So when I see greater than or equal to, I'm going to use the greater than or equal to sign. And it says that it's greater than or equal to 13. Okay, so all of this stuff must be telling us what goes over here, okay? So the next thing I look for is there a word that means to either add or subtract? So is there like a word like sum or difference? So when I see the sum, it means that there's going to be a plus sign. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a plus sign over here, and I know I left some room so I can put stuff on either side of the plus sign. So the sum of, now the word and tells me what's gonna go before the plus sign and what's gonna go after the plus sign. So before the word and is 4, so a 4 will go before the plus sign. And then after the plus sign is 7 times a number x. So 7 times a number x, 7 times x. So the sum of 4 and 7 times the number x is greater than or equal to 13. 4 plus 7x is greater than or equal to 13. So let's do the same thing for part B. The difference of y in 2 is at most 8. At most is less than or equal to. So less than or equal to 8. And then over here, okay, I see the word difference. The word difference means we're going to have a subtraction. And I left space on each side. So and tells us what goes before the minus sign and after the minus sign. So before the minus sign is y, and after the minus sign is 2. So the difference of y and 2 is at most 8. Y minus 2 is less than or equal to 8. And that's how we do it. Great work.